All right, what I wanted to show you real quick is what we're going to be working with next. Direct and indirect relationships with tables, and then also recognizing our relationships with graphs. And we're talking about ratios and proportions still. Okay, so in proportional relationships, you can determine if a relationship is proportional by looking at the table of values or the graph of the values. And how do we do that? With a table, if all of the ratio of numbers in a table are equivalent, the relationship is proportional. With a graph, if the graph of the numbers forms a straight line through the origin 0, 0, the relationship is proportional as well. So let's take a look at a table first. So on a field trip, every chaperone is assigned 12 students, so that's 1 to 12. Is the student to the chaperone ratio proportional? So let's check it out. So chaperones 1, students 12, we would put that in the bottom box there. And then 2, that would be 24, 3, 36, 4, 48, 5, and 60. All right, so let's check it out and let's see what we come up with. Okay, so the simplified ratios, if you compare them, you want to ask yourself, are they the same? Well, 1/12 is the same as 2/24, which is the same as 3/36, and so on to the 4 and 5 chaperones. So their relationship is proportional because it is equal. Let's take a look at this one with pizza. So the local pizza place sells a plain pie for $10. Each topping costs an additional $1.50. If the cost of the pizza proportional to the number of toppings purchased, well, let's check it out. There's your toppings on top. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. The cost on the bottom, $11.50, $13, $14.50, and $16. So are these proportional? Well, the ratios aren't equivalent in this one. So this is not proportional. I hope that makes sense to you. So let's take a look at graphs. Okay, so when we're taking a look at graphs, remember, it forms a straight line on the graph and it goes through the origin 0, 0. That's how we know it is proportional. So let's take a look. All right, on a field trip, every chaperone, once again, 1 to 12. Let's check it out on a graph. All right, hopefully you can see my mouse pointer there. Okay, so 1 to 12. There it is right there. There's that dot. 2, go 2 to the left, right, sorry. 24 up. And then 3 to 36, 4 to 48, 5 to 60. Forms a straight line, and it goes through the point 0, 0 down there. All right, so that is proportional. Once again, we have more proof. Okay, let's check out this one. So now we have 1. So we go 1 to the right, and then 5.5, which is up here. And then 2 to 7. So we are going here now. All right, and you can kind of already tell that something is fishy. It doesn't look like it's going to go down to 0, 0. All right, so we have 3, and then 8.5, and then 4, 10, all the way up here. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, so this is not proportional because the line does not go through 0, 0. Okay, it's up here by the 4, but it is straight, so that's good. But it is not proportional. All right, so I hope that's helped. You are going to work on... So I hope that helps. You are going to practice recognizing what is proportional and what is not proportional.